For this lesson, let's take a look at subtracting some integers. If I was to subtract some integers, let's say we start with positive 5 minus negative 3. Anytime you're subtracting the integers, what you basically do is something called adding the opposite. We have to take the subtraction and we make it into addition, and we change the term immediately following that subtraction sign that we changed into its opposite. So that negative becomes a positive. So then we have positive 5 plus positive 3, and our answer then is positive 8. If we were to flip the signs on those particular numbers, let's say we had negative 5 and we were subtracting positive 3, well, the negative here stays the same, so it's still negative 5. We change the subtraction to addition, and the opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. And then we just follow our rules for adding integers. They're both the same sign, so I add their absolute values, which is 8. They're both negative, negative 8. So just simply changing the signs of the two numbers changed our answer from being positive 8 to negative 8. Another example, let's take a look at positive 13, and we'll subtract from that negative 16. Well, once again, we're going to change the sign. So we're adding the opposite, so the subtraction becomes addition, and this becomes its opposite sign. So now I have positive 13 plus positive 16 now. Add those together, it's just like adding integers. Absolute values are 29. They're both positive. Positive 29 is my answer. We'll take a look at one more here. If I had, let's say, negative 26, and we're going to subtract from that positive 7. Well, I want to go down there and rewrite below it. Still negative 26 here. The sign of the minuend does not change. Subtraction becomes addition because we're adding the opposite, and the opposite of positive 7 is negative 7. And then it's back to our integer rules. Absolute value of 26 and 7. Signs are the same, so we're going to add them together. 26 and 7 gives us 33, and they're both negatives, negative 33. So that's a little bit on subtracting integers.